Good day and welcome to the analysis. And of course, today is 3rd of February 2026. Today is Tuesday, but still we'll be focusing, we'll be analyzing a synthetic market. Of course, we are using Deriv. And just in case you don't know the broker called Deriv, I will drop a link in the description for you to register an account. And of course, this is the account, this is access to my trader trading. You can see all my trade I take. And if you want to copy any of the trades, please and please try to make sure you adjust the loss size to loss size that is comfortable for your trade capital. That said, let's go to the analysis. Of course, we are starting off 75 1 seconds. And this particular trade seems to still be giving us the same thing for weeks right now. Nor seems to be breaking below that level we marked. It's just moving around. We actually kept going yesterday, so I thought it was going to break above it, but then that didn't happen. I'm sure those that watched this analysis, when we got here, I felt it was going to break below it, but then that didn't happen. So let's go to our 4 hours. Okay. So here is the 4 hour chart. So this level we're actually waiting for. We said if you actually break above this level, then that means we are not looking forward to the buy trade. But then if it doesn't break out, if it breaks below this, we do this too. Here is the low. Breaking below this, then we look forward to short trade. Let me just delete this. So these are the pairs we are looking out for, or these are the zone we are actually in. So a breakout from this gives us the buy trade. A break below that gives us a sell trade. So for VIX75 1 second is actually still in the zone. So we just keep our fingers crossed and let it do what you want to do until it and goes out of where it is right now. All right, now going to the next one, which is 75. Sorry, please. So volatility 75 index. Now, this is another trade that I don't know what I'm going to say is the problem of this particular trade. It's neither bullish nor bearish. You can see these right here. Let me just extend it so it does not look. Yeah, so you can see this right here. Now, what actually supposed to happen on a normal trade is for a breakout out of this. Oh, sorry, please. Is a breakout out of this, testing that, then for us to continue bearish. Why? Because this is a bearish pattern. Now, what does it do? It's first of all give us something like this, then you have something like this, new form. Then after that, if you have a breakout from here, then give you to continue on that bearish pattern. So this is what we're actually expecting. But then from what you're having now, I've gotten this, we've got the pendant. Now you can see this right here, it's not actually yet breaking out. So let's see wait for what the market really want to do. They are not looking for a bullish trade yet on what's it called over 75. I'm still for bearish for it to break below this for it to continue. Definitely if I be looking for bearish for bullish then, or if I'm not becoming bullish on 75, that'll be from tomorrow and I'll inform you that on tomorrow's analysis. Okay, going to the next one, which is boom, and of course we're starting up the boom 500 as usual. Boom 500 is currently bullish. And I hope there's any bullish from here. So that means just go to end time frame, looking for change of structure on the bullish. Change of structure to the bullish. Okay. So here is my bullish setup on 75. On sorry, boom 500. Okay. So here's my bullish setup on 75. So this is what I'll be looking at for today. I think the stop loss should be below here. So I didn't adjust stop loss. I just put it. All right. So this is what I'm looking at for from 500 for today. And for now. All right, that's that for 500. So go to the next one, which is 1000. All right. This thing too, actually, I said I won't be looking for any trade because it's not really giving what I want. You can see right here, it's almost similar to which trade is this? Which trade is giving us this? I think that's the first one. That's volatility 5 1 seconds. Yeah, so much is similar. So it's just moving this way, not giving us a good entry. So just leave it to see what it's gonna do. And because it's actually bearish, we expect it to be breaking below this. Yeah, so you actually expect it to break below this, but then since that does not happen, so just keep fingers crossed to see what happens as the day goes by. Alright, so also on the 1000, I'm not taking any trade yet until I see the trade breaking below this, then I look forward to short trades. Alright, so the next one, which is crash, and of course, as usual, I'll be starting up the crash 500. Okay, so yes, crash 500 on our level. So are we seeing movement back or are we breaking this? Now, since it's already bearish, it's likely we see something like this. Sorry, it's likely we see something like this. But then we can't see that yet. If on the bullish side, we want to go to the 15-minute chart and see a change of structure back to the bullish, breaking previous highs and forming. So let's see if that's already happening. Definitely no. We actually have a high here. So I think there are just too many highs, remember. So focus on this in the structure and maybe break it. Let's say this high, unable to break even low, then breaking the high is formed. So we let us wait for the market to give us its own structure, not focus on the structures. So if we focus on the market structure, unable to break its own low again, something like this, then we think of an opportunity to buy the market. So for now, I'm still bearish, waiting for a breakout from this for me to continue riding with the trend. So on the final one, which is crash 1000, wow, this is a bullish trade, and I think no bullish. But let me still go back to H4 to confirm what is going on. Are you saying is it bullish? Yes, it's actually bullish. It's actually bullish here. So this is already bullish. So we want to see it give us a trade opportunity for us to go long. Is understood? We can't take it trade. Why? Because if you're taking it, that means your stop loss is going to be this level. And that will be too wide. Imagine take it trade and your stop loss is here. So let's wait for a retracement back to this level, then we go long. Alright. So that brings us to the end of the analysis with Deriv. So just you have always said it, always ensure that if you're copying my trade, adjust the lot side to lot side that suits you. I might take some new trade, which I might not really always come online to tell you I'm taking this. That's why I just analyze this for you. And so these are the setup. So whenever I come to the zone I said earlier, I go long or I go short based on what I just analyzed. Alright, that's what I do every single day. Coming here to do my trade analysis every single day with everyone. So if this is your first time coming across my video, please and please do it to hit the subscribe button. Please, the bell icon beside it is still very important. So get reminded whenever I drop the next video. And if the first time you're actually coming across my video on maybe Facebook or TikTok, hit the follow button and don't forget to give the bell a bit to hit the thumbs up. And if you feel this is actually important or informative, you can still go ahead to share it to collect with your friend and other trader if you actually need this information. That said, I wish everyone a profitable trade ahead. Please stay safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to.